What's going on, everyone? This is Sergeant First Class Jacobs, the station commander for the virtual recruiting station at the Kansas City Recruiting Battalion. Today I'm bringing you an officer's paycheck, kind of break that down to show you how they get paid. So let's get into it. So this officer is an 03. This officer has also been in for 8 years. Depending on your rank in the Army and how long you've been in, depends on what your base pay is. Your base pay is your base salary. So he makes $6,241.50 because he's an 03, because he's been in for 8 years. When you first come in the Army as an officer, you got to have a bachelor's degree to apply for it. You come in as a second lieutenant. So which is an 01, so he is 3 ranks up, only 8 years in. Next we're going to talk about is BAS, Basic Allowance for Substance. All right, that's tax-free. He gets paid that every month to help for food costs. He also gets BAH. BAH is Basic Allowance for Housing, which it depends on if you're married or not and what zip code you live in. So if you're living in California, it'd be totally different. It might be double that, or it depends on where you live, what your rank is, and what your marital status is. Next we're going to talk about is deductions. So this is just like a normal job, federal taxes, Social Security. We're going to bring up is his Roth TSP, which is his retirement. He chose to put $312 in a month to add on top of his retirement. Every month he does that. So it shows at the bottom like what your yearly total is for your Roth TSP. If you do join the Army, definitely recommend, regardless you go officer or enlisted, to put money into your Roth. So at the end of all this stuff, deductions, this is what he gets after taxes on the 1st and 15th of every month. So he gets paid twice a month, every 2 weeks, $3,100.99 for only been in the Army for 8 years and 3 ranks up in the officer realm. All right, next thing we're going to talk about is leave. So this is called credited balance right here, but it's called leave for us, and it's vacation. So that's vacation time that he gets, where he gets still get paid just like he is now. Because of COVID, they've increased that amount to 120 that we can save up. Normally it was 60, but now it's 120, which is amazing. Next thing we're going to talk about is life insurance. For $400,000 he's worth as a soldier, he pays this much right there, $25. There's not one organization out there that you can pay $25 and get that much life insurance in. So again, this is a shortened version of the officer paycheck. And I'll see you all soon if you want to make this pay.